Just ignore the last video's description. Don't mind what Ethan's doing.
I'm playing Funky Freddy in Roblox.
Okay. Try. Okay, you can like short listen to it. Don't really care. Anyways, pet ferrets are here. Playing round of applause. Also, it's bear pet ferret.
Yeah, aka Ethan.
Good. A slinky new pal has arrived in Jamaica. Pet ferret. Bring one of these curious, playful friends along on your adventures and adopt a pet ferret today. Be sure to spoil your new buddies with fun pet toys like the Ferret's Play Tunnel or Ferret's Juice Pouch. When I watched the video of the spoilers, I'm sorry, this is actually odd. When I watched the video about the May update from Animal Gym, I saw a ferret drinking a juice pouch, and I'm like,
I'm doing so good, guys.
okay, spamming.
I'm not spamming. You're spamming.
Oh no, I'm not even playing that. Anyways, I saw a juice box, and I'm like, is that an item for your ferret? Yes, it is.
Spoiler person.
Sorry. Traveling salesman items. Golden Atlantis armor. Donut earring and bracelet. Donut. And of course, golden retriever facts. Golden retrievers are one of the most popular types of pet dogs. Their fur can be light gold to dark gold, which makes them unique from other Labrador dogs. They are friendly, smart, and energetic dogs who love to play and social.
Okay, this is perfect for the next round, guys.
Yes!
Oh, I know.
You have no more chances. Yes, since that there's more. Let's go! And also, I really want this. Ethan does as well. I mean,
Oh, you can just call me.
alright! A question mark.
Why do you always call me Isabella fan?
Sorry. I got this. Okay?
That's a weekly member?
Yeah.
Sucks.
248. Not enough. So, that's too much. Gotta spend.
Guys, listen to my I'm also playing. I'm boyfriend.
Okay. Now let's buy this cute little pet. Pet? What's a pet? It's a pet. It has a big head.
Oh, all of them have big heads.
Black.
Doesn't look like a ferret.
I know. Now it does. I'm gonna try to make me, but I know it's gonna look really weird.
I'm doing so good, guys.
Okay, I don't want this. Okay, I'm gonna change this color. Oh my god. I have an idea. It's genius. I missed the last no.
You suck at the game.
Excuse me?
Guys, look at this.
Yeah.
I bought the animation.
You forgot? Oh, anyway. Sorry, I got out of topic. Name your pet. Is there a ferret here? Or no?
Jasmine, look at this. Look what I found.
Oh, yes, there's ferret.
Look.
What?
You see this Pepsi?
Yeah.
Ice cucumber Pepsi.
What? Okay, woolly ferret, no. Where's chocolate? No, chewy. Chewy ferret. This little fluffer.
Okay, the animation's gonna look sick, Jasmine.
Okay.
Zavadilla.
Okay. Okay, this video is almost done, by the way.
Already?
Yeah, it's only the pet ferrets that came out. Oh wait, I have to buy the things. What? Let me do the dance. Pretty casual.
Look at my animation.
Oh, you got the rock. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, it looks around. Just is pretty much what you expect. Sitting the keeps seated. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you've been hearing me this whole time. And I've been like this far, but still. Oh my god. No, sorry. Sleeping is cute. No. Okay, so now we have our pet ferret. Now you know what happens.
It's not there. I exposed you. Your name is Jasmine.
Doesn't matter if you expose my name.
Lollipop.
Alright, furniture. Ferret's hammock. Ferret's juice pouch. A ferret's play tunnel. Let's buy all these.
My hand hurts.
I'm all done. Hold on. Let me get in my unimportant things. No.
Zavadilla. It's gonna be perfect.
What?
Oh, this is short as well. It sucks just like the Tord bot.
Come on, I want to buy these. No, I don't want to get out.
Where do you can buy stuff? I didn't know that. Hamrock.
Oh, someone did the same thing as me, except a boy. Oh wait, it's a different different color. Before I end the video, I'm gonna get some things here. See if I can find a cute hat. No, let's see how this looks. Yes, this is what I've been looking for. Yes. Yes. That's now to match.
Finally.
What's the screaming? Okay. Why didn't I shut down the music here? Anyways, guys, that is it. And this dance is cringy.
Alright, so cringy.
That doesn't matter. No. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And Ethan, you want to do like a secret video, like a cool video, tomorrow, or
About
this
what?
weekend? Or this weekend?
About what?
When I end
About
the
pizza?
No, when I end the video, I will. Okay. Anyways, bye bye. I can't spoil the next video.